Okay, we are on the second floor below ground. I'm looking for like the hobby section where I can get some like model stuff. Having a hard time finding it because this store is so massive. I think that's the AirPods, but there's the iPhone section. So there's more iPhones down here. It's ridiculous. All right, so I'm on the last floor. Came to look at some car stuff, and hopefully I find some stuff that I really am interested in. It's kind of hard to find the classic stuff, but hopefully I find something. So I'm gonna go through this because it takes a lot of attention just to find what you want, and hopefully I find it. So we'll go from there. So we're here at the premium section here. These are the real deal. They're all in glass, but I gotta take my time with these as well. But I picked up two Type R's. Gotta paint them and stuff, but these are a bit more expensive. These are die cast. They have old school cars in here, so they're very rare and also expensive. So I'm gonna take a look at these and hopefully I find what I'm looking for and go from there. Should be fun. Look at the quality of these things. The reflection is bad, but Type R for 103, that's a nice one. CRX, and then silver. I'm looking for a second gen. I can't find it anywhere. So I just got two things. I got two DC2 Type R's. I can't open the bag because it's sealed. But yeah, that's that, man. It was a really good experience. I thought it was like 4 floors. As you can see, there's like a whole bunch of floors. There's an underground, 2 stories below, and like 8 floors on top. A really cool experience. If you guys can come out here in Japan, there's a few in Japan obviously, so it's like Best Buy and like on like crack. It's like everything you can source online in a store, so a lot of variety. The ultra cheap and the ultra expensive. So yeah, I'm just here sitting down in the kiddie section. Pretty cool. So alright guys, that's it. We'll see you later. Peace.